I found a kitchen scale in the trash, and it was in awful condition, very dirty. I've already cleaned it up. The contacts inside the battery compartment are corroded, and now it's time to open it up and replace the damaged contacts. Let's get to it. I'll need 2 screwdrivers, pliers, and a soldering iron. The contacts are really bad, but I've got some spares from another device. Opening it up, I take out the screws and remove the cover. Swapping out the first contact. One of them is just slotted into a plastic holder. I pull out the old one and pop in the new one. Easy. Replacing the second contact. This one is soldered, so I carefully desolder it and solder in the new one. Solid. Putting it back together. I close it up. Pop in some batteries, and let's see. It turns on and works perfectly. That's it. This scale's got a second life now, and it'll definitely serve me well.